These are some tips on using the 5-number summary calculator and the blocks plot grapher if you're doing the emergency 911 data. So I just want to do a sample based off of mine. Let's say I broke this down into weekday morning rush hour with my times. I've already separated the data into a table on Word. Now I just have to find the 5-number summary. So to do that, the first thing I'm going to do is in the 5-number summary calculator, I'm going to type in the data sets that the data that I have from Arrow first, so 17, 17, and 15. And then I'm going to hit calculate, and it'll do that for me. All right, so those are my minimum, first quartile, median, third quartile, and maximum. Those numbers I'm going to take and put into the box plot grapher. So my box plot title is going to be Arrow Ambulance Service. And then my minimum was 15, so 15, 16, 16.5, 16, 16.5. My Q3 was 17, my max was 19, so 17, 19. Notice how all I did there is I typed in the information from here into the box plot generator. My minimum, let's say, is 0 because we don't know we don't know what the metro ambulance is going to be. We'll say the maximum is 20 minutes. We want one distance between tick marks, just 1 unit. And the axis title is going to be response time because that's what you're measuring in minutes. All right. We're going to add, if you go to 2, we're going to add the other box plot, Metro. We can actually compare them on the same box and whisker plot. So Metro Ambulance Service, let's take their data and make a new 5-number summary with that. So we have 8, 9, 6, 11. Let's type those in. So 8, 9, 6, 11. Calculate. Got those numbers there. Okay. Let's type those in. So you have 6, 7, 8.5, 10, and 11. 6, 7, 8.5. I think I've already forgot it. What is it? 10 and 11. 10, 11. All right. The image size length, we are going to kind of test out a little bit. So let's just hit draw here for start. Oh, that gave us a really nice picture, actually. The Metro Ambulance Service clearly is who we should be calling in that morning rush hour traffic. I don't really like how this is all blocked up, so I'm going to adjust the width just a little bit. I'm going to change it to 700. See how that looks. Hit draw again. Looks a little better. Let's make it a little larger. Let's try 900. Ooh, I like that. Now I can actually see all the data. Wonderful. And you can hit copy to clipboard. That'll copy this picture, and then you can paste it right into Word. It's pretty cool. And then, of course, when you are back in your Word document and I scroll down, I have exactly the same picture right there. It fits in really well with my title, my data above it, and again, that picture, if you just hit copy to clipboard, it'll copy right for you.